Nice. I think I'm done here. Okay, so some of you are asking about where we are located. We're located at Ogba in Lagos. Number 2, Akinwale, please teach us how to line the water line. Please. Okay, water line. Okay, first of all, some people don't even know what your water line is. This is your water line, the bridge. On that space, that's what your water line is. Okay, so how do you line it? Depends on what you're doing anyway. It depends on the kind of look you're creating. I have used my brush to work on that space. Here, this is it. I told you to be very careful. I'm using my brush because of the kind of look I'm creating, the smoky eye look. Okay, so you simply do that. Okay, now there are several methods to do that as well. You can use your eye pencil to work on that space. This is a retractable pencil. You can roll it in and roll it out. Okay, so you can use that. You can use your liquid liner on that space as well. This is a liquid liner. It has this dark pigment in it and is liquid in nature, so you simply use that. This I can use to work on the top part of my eyelashes like that, but I don't need it on this look because the look is already black. If it was in other colors, I'll probably need to make sure I use this. Then you can also use this under your eye. Be very careful, don't shake while you are applying it. Is it necessary to line the smoky eye? No, not necessarily. Not necessarily. It's already dark already, so if you are lining it, it will not show at the end of the day. But we're simply done on that space. Do you have any questions else on what we're working on, the smoky eye? In the absence of any other question, I'm going into my my finished powder. This is a compatible finished powder, cakey. So I apply that to hold in my foundation in place. That's basically what this does, the finished powder. There are several types. Okay, and in fact, before I do that finished powder, let me add a little bit of my banana. This, I remember doing a video some time ago and somebody was saying which should come first. Okay, when you are highlighting and contouring and you need to use this kind of product to highlight and contour, you should use this first and then you use your finished powder at the end. It depends on what you're working on anyway. Okay, so this one, I'm not interested in highlighting and contouring. This one, I'm just using my brush to just play around my face. So let no one say, is that the way you are highlighting? No, this is not the way I highlight. I'm just using this brush to play on this face. I just come on, that kind of something. Any question? What's the name of the foundation you are using? I said it is I used Black Up foundation, and then I also added it with Kiss Beauty foundation. That's what I use. When the face is not smooth, what can we use? What can you use if your clients Ajoke, you haven't finished that question. Okay, if the face is not smooth, what can I use for my client's face to make it smooth? Okay, first, the kind of shade you're working on, your client's shade will determine how well the look would be at the end of the day. If your client is darker than the powder you are working with or the foundation you are working with, when you are done, we will still be thinking her face is not smooth. Right now, if I come close, you will see that this face, I still have my pimples showing, I still have my small scratches showing, but because the powder looks like my skin tone, when you're looking at it from far or inside picture, you won't know, because the powder would just kind of blend everything and tone it together, like arrange all together and pack it up well for you. Okay, but when you're using a shade that's different from your color, that's when it's visible, very glaring, that this face not smooth. So how do you work on that? Work with a shade that suits your client, and you should be covered in that section. Any more question? Finish powder last. Oh, sorry, I go to Yoruba by default. Okay, so finish powder. Before I go to finish powder, let me do small what do they call this one? Bronzer. I don't like too much bronzer. I like to bronze my face and it seems as if it's not there. Not so it's there like it's not there. Last let me do small on the nose to indicate the nose section very well. Please, I want to buy light stand. Okay, light stand. Ikeja, they sell in Ikeja. Are you in Lagos? Want to buy light stand? That's been a ring light. Are you talking about ring lights? Depends on the type you want, the size. It goes in between 80k, 100k. Depends on where you're getting it anyway as well. I don't sell it, so but go to Computer Village if you're in Ikeja. They sell there. Okay, so I'm done with my foundation. Let's quickly lip it up. I like pink lips. Yeah. I'll leave that to quickly set in a little bit. That means I want it to slightly dry up. Okay, I'm using my purple liner. Okay, so that's me creating the Aubrey look. 2 colors, one dark color for the contouring, a lighter shade for the highlighting of the lips. You saw ring lights, you saw lights. Okay, there are different type of light though. You saw light for 30k. Be very careful, oh, don't let them go and knock you. Make sure you're buying it from an authentic dealer, right? If it's 30k, I'm wondering what kind of light it is anyway, but it might be that it's not the type I know. Okay, so but please feel free, but ensure you make your investigations very well. Don't let anybody use you for 2018 flanger. Okay, going on. So this is practically the look for today. I hope you have learned something new. We're located at Ogba number 2 Akinwale Street, Ogba, Lagos, and people are registering. There is the makeup box ready for you. As soon as you're entering in, you're getting your makeup box immediately once you pay. People are already started. People have started doing their registrations as well. Make sure you join us. There are many looks we can teach you every day when you come to school, where you learn something absolutely different from what you learned yesterday. Yeah, so that's about it. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. I hope this week we've entered, I hope it brings you all the blessings you're looking for, and I hope you be as productive as possible. Oh, this look is very glam. I like it, so they can come closer. Yeah. Okay, so that is me, and this is our studio. Thank you very much for joining me today. I love you all, and I hope you are happy where you are right now. How much do you pay? There are different categories. Auntie Chidima, you're asking about how much you pay. That must be how much the school fees is. There are different categories. Okay, so it depends on the one you want to go for. We have it as 2 months, 4 months, and 6 months. Okay, 2 months presently is a total of 135. Because I'm using phone, this thing is not showing well. Sorry, I said 135. 2 months is 150. It comes with your makeup products for your classes immediately. Then 4 months is $250. It also comes with products and a very big box. Yeah, a very big box to make your training an amazing one. Oh, somebody's watching from Tanzania. Thank you so much for watching from Tanzania. Show us all those likes, show us all those loves, show us all those like and love us. We love you all. Please share this page. Somebody somewhere would want to learn about the smoky eye look, and I think I touched a little bit on it today. Till I come your way with something else, something different. Stay blessed. My name is Valerie from Valisimo, a makeup school that's out there to make sure you get the very best. Bye bye.